but they know a lot about AI intelligence. Augmented race intelligence is a tool that helps us analyzing a huge amount of data in a very short period of time.
With Genpact, we have this very useful platform. It's easy for us to see that we lose time and we can gain time to get the maximum out of the car, to be more prepared and having more advances before we go to the race place.
We knew that we wanted to achieve carbon neutrality, the same way that we've worked together on the insights in terms of the racing data and analysis. The incredible helpful thing was in them helping us refine what we were trying to collect and how we were capturing that data and cut out some of the human error.
We've been working with Genpact to gain a better understanding of our existing audience. If I rewind back 12 months, we were making decisions probably based on assumption. They presented the team with actionable insights to really drive the growth of our fan base on an international level.
Partnership with Genpact allows us to collect insights that would be otherwise inaccessible to us and ultimately supports our purpose to win the race against climate change.
Right ahead of the Formula E World Championship, we're launching the Melting Point Project, an opportunity to get the larger world involved in one of the most important issues that we have, which is climate change. We're taking an exact replica of the Envision Virgin racing car. It's built out of frozen rainwater, and we're putting that car right next to Tower Bridge in London for everyone to see. We want everyone to enter into the competition to predict what % of the car will melt in 24 hours. For every entry that we get, we're donating $1 to the Arctic Ice Project.
The Arctic Ice Project is a nonprofit initiative that coordinates and funds ice preservation technologies. Our mission is to slow down the pace of climate change by restoring ice to the Arctic. We're delighted to partner with Genpact and Melting Point in order to raise awareness for what we consider to be the most important issue of our time.
We're in a multi-year partnership with Envision Virgin Racing. At the core, we help the teams win and compete.
Formula E is a sport where data is paramount. We recognize that from the beginning, and the partnership with Genpact is all about enhancing and gathering insights from this data. And being able to act on it real time is what derives performance both on and off the track. I believe it is really important to lead by example. So as a team, we have been certified carbon neutral. Genpact are helping us streamlining the data and making sure we remain the greenest team on the greenest grid.
So MEG, which stands for Melt Estimate Generator, is an artificial intelligence-based machine-learned algorithm that allows us to predict what % of that ice car will melt in 24 hours. And it does that by using all of the data sources that are relevant: wind, temperature, sunshine, footfall. So we're hoping to bring exactly the same capabilities and the same techniques we use to solve for transformation for large corporations and apply it to climate change. It's about data and analytics and prediction and artificial intelligence that help us slow down climate change.
We're now approaching a global tipping point with the Arctic. If we don't act now, the Arctic will disappear within our lifetimes.